15 divided by 5 over 2 times 2. 2 into here 1, 2 into here 1. We are left with 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5 will give us 3. 3 is the wrong answer to this question because we are supposed to solve our division first before multiplication, because division and multiplication have equal priorities, so we have to work from our left to our right in order to have a very correct answer. Let's solve the right answer to this question. First of all, we have to solve our division first before multiplication, which is 15 divided by 5 over 2. Then we use the rule of KCF. KCF. K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We are going to keep 15, then change division to multiplication, then flip 5 over 2 to 2 over 5 multiplied by 2. 5 into here will give us 3, and 5 into here will give us 1. Then we are left with 3 times 2. 3 times 2 will give us 6. Then 6 times this 2 over here will give us 12. 12 is the right answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.